PPE and precautions is a very hot topic, especially in the last couple years, but a lot of people are talking about receiving a lot of these questions on the Nclex. So let's go over a little bit. So what is the purpose of PPE? It's to protect you, it's to protect the patient. What falls under PPE? It could be washing your hands, wearing a gown, wearing a mask, goggles, gloves, that kind of thing. Donning means to put on, removing means to take it off. So let's talk about what falls under contact, airborne, and droplet, and these little mnemonics to help you. So for contact, we have Mr. Vive Chips. Contact, Mr. Vive Chips. So what falls under that? We have multi-drug resistant organisms, respiratory infections, skin infections, wound infections, enteric infections, eye infections, varicella, cutaneous diphtheria, herpes, impetigo, scabies. Those fall under contact. Now let's talk about airborne, MTV, measles, tuberculosis, varicella. Next, droplet. What falls under droplet? Can you read it? Like the acronyms? Spider-Man. Okay, so we have sepsis, scarlet fever, strep, paravirus, pneumonia, pertussis, influenza, epiglottitis, diphtheria, rubella, mumps, adenovirus, AIDS, and then the N is just to repeat it again. Standard precautions are precautions you're going to have essentially for every single patient where you're going to have contact with them or bodily fluids or mucous membranes and stuff like that. So this is going to be hand washing before and after you touch the paciente. Anytime that you're soiled, what does that include? It means that you're going to be washing your hands with warm water vigorously while singing the happy birthday song. Gloves are standard precautions. Gown and mask can be standard precautions, and eye protection can be standard precautions, depending on what you are doing with the patient. I hope this helps, especially these little acronyms to help you remember who goes on contact and airborne and droplet. Just as a reminder, this printout is from the nursing school review section of my Nclex program.